In the bustling city of Nutria, two friendly neighboring farms existed side by side. One was Dairy Meadows, known for its delightful fresh milk, straight from grass-fed cows. The other was FortiFarms, admired for its innovative fortified milk. Every morning, the farmers from both sides set out to deliver their prized products to the townsfolk. At Dairy Meadows, Farmer Jill took great pride in her animals' well-being, believing that the natural taste of fresh milk came from a place of care and tradition. Her cows grazed freely on the lush green pastures, offering milk that was rich in flavor and nutrients. Across the lane, FortiFarms was abuzz with excitement as Farmer Tom inspected the bottling plant. With the latest technology, Tom ensured that each bottle of milk was enriched with vitamins and minerals. "We give people what they might miss in their daily diets," Tom would say, beaming with pride. The bakery on Market Street became a daily center of comparison. Customers often found themselves torn between the choices. One sunny morning, Alice, the baker, keen to settle the friendly debate, decided to conduct a taste test. She crafted 2 batches of her famous bread rolls, one with Dairy Meadows fresh milk and the other with FortiFarms fortified milk. The townsfolk gathered to make their choice. The fresh milk rolls were lighter, with a subtle hint of creaminess, delightful to those who cherish simplicity and tradition. The fortified milk rolls had a richer, fuller taste, appealing to those who valued nutrition and modernity. After the taste test, Alice smiled at her satisfied patrons. "Both have their merits," she announced. "Fresh milk brings us close to nature, filled with pure essence, while fortified milk enhances our diet with added benefits." In Nutria, people learned to appreciate both offerings from their spirited neighbors. Whether for the charm of tradition or the boon of scientific advancement, the choice was theirs to make, ensuring both farms thrived harmoniously in their specialties.